Wait, these are not real locks? And no, I didn't use extensions or install four locks. This entire look was created using my natural hair with a simple braid technique that turns regular braids into locks while you are braiding. So if you have ever wanted to try locks but you are not ready for the long-term commitment, this might be the easiest way to get the look. No sitting in a salon all day, no complicated installation, and the whole style can be done in about 2 hours. And the best part, it's completely temporary. When you're tired of the look, you can literally take them down. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create these temporary locks using the loosening braid method, plus the small tricks that make them look fuller, more natural, and last without getting frizzy. Now, let's get into it. Let's start from the beginning because today we are working on fresh natural hair. My hair is freshly washed and ready to be styled. For this style, we are keeping things very simple. I'm using leave-in conditioner, water, hair oil, hair butter, and rat tail comb. The water and leave-in conditioner help keep the hair moisturized while braiding. The oil helps reduce friction, and the hair butter gives the braids a fuller texture, which helps them resemble locks. Please do not work on dry hair. Ladies, please do not work on dry hair. Moisturize your hair using water, leave-in conditioner, hair oil, hair butter, whatever you use to moisturize your hair. Now, if you have a styling gel, you can use it. If you have a mousse, you can also use it. This will just make the texture look super great. First, I'm using my rat tail comb to part my hair into small sections. The size of your part will determine the thickness of your locks. If you prefer thicker locks, make them bigger. Make the sections bigger. If you like smaller locks, go smaller. I personally like mine somewhere in the middle so they still look natural. You can also use your fingers to part the hair as long as you have divided into the major rows. I will advise you to go with mini. While mini, they create tighter, more uniform locks that mature faster. Aim for 50 to 100 sections depending on your hair density. Fewer for thicker hair to save time. Alright queens, let's establish this. I've rocked natural hair through thick and thin, experimenting on my 4 curls and viewer requests. This mini braid lock, it's my go-to for quick durable styles without the salon bills. Before braiding, I go in with some leave-in conditioner. This is basically because my hair is high porosity and I need some moisture to achieve my desired look. I start braiding at the roots just like regular braids. This keeps the roots secured and neat. 6 to 10 braids is enough to secure it. But once I get a little bit down the braid, I start doing something different. Now, this is where the braid starts turning into a lock. As I braid, I gently loosen the braid slightly with my fingers. I am not doing the braid, I'm just pulling it apart a little so it becomes softer and thicker. You will notice the braid starts losing that tight braided pattern and begins looking more like a lock. Side by side comparison. Comparing side by side, look at the difference between a tight braid and the loosened one. So I continue this process all the way down the braid. Tight at the root, loosen slightly as I move down. I like adding a little hair butter as I go because it helps the braid hold that lock texture. Once you get down to the motion, it becomes very easy. So someone recommended online that if you love locks and you are not sure which type to commit to, then you should try trial locks. Trial locks could be twists or braids, but for today, we are trying braids. I will keep them for a while until they are old and see how they form. If I like the form, then I can retire, but if I don't, then I will try something else like loose twists or micro twists. I will keep trying different forms until I am satisfied with the form that I prefer. You should do this too, especially when you are not sure of what type of lock to install. So yeah, mini braids saved my life. Unlike that time I tried to do a quick twist out and ended up looking like I tucked my finger in a socket. Moral of the story, embrace the braid because shrinkage waits for no one. So basically what I mean is that I love locks, right? But I'm scared of getting them because I feel like I want to take down this hairstyle and I don't want something to limit me. Do you get, like, I want to have locks but I still want to have my hair so that I can also make other hairstyles, and I really understand that this is what a lot of us do like. You come online and you see locks and you ask yourself, oh, I need to get this, and one moment you're like, it's going to limit me, it's going to stop me from making those cute hairstyles. Girls, you are not alone, trust me, I am like that also. So if you're like me, you might want to get trial locks to just see how they look, right? And how they form, so that you can make a choice. Yeah, want to get trial locks, or you can get starter locks. You can just, make it braids or twist. When they get old and you don't like how they form, you can take them down, but if you like them, you can just go for a tying. That makes sense, right? Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. If you like what you see and you would love to see how I maintain them, or how they look in few weeks time, or whether I am keeping them, please subscribe and make sure to turn on the notification bell to get informed when I upload a new video. Okay, this is how they look after the first section is done, and then I proceed. When I was done with the first and second section, I noticed something. I noticed that at the other side it was a bit slimmer and the other side it was looser. I don't know if you noticed, but take a good look at it. At my left hand side it was slimmer and the other side was a bit fatter, so I just maintained the fatter side because I loved the form. So what I did is I made it looser. Okay, I made my braids looser. What I was doing before was loose, but then I made it looser because I wanted to go for something loose. Then I proceeded to the front and I am re-moisturizing again. Ladies, moisturizing is key. Okay, I'm moisturizing again using leave-in conditioner and hair oil or hair butter. Look, my hair is high porosity and I don't joke with that. My hair loses moisture easily, and one of the reasons why it did that was because I did not seal with oil. So if you're moisturizing, make sure that after you're going with water and leave-in conditioner, then you seal with hair oil. Trust me, it helps. It will keep your hair moisturized throughout the time that you're braiding. I was sitting close to the fan and my hair was getting dry super fast, very very fast, so I had to keep applying leave-in conditioner. So please be generous with your hair products, you will need them. Now queens, if you're confused on what type of lock to install, here are the names of different kinds of locks available out there. We have the sisters lock, the micro twist locks, the micro braids lock, the loose braids lock, the loose twist locks, soft locks, four locks, butterfly locks, free form locks, semi free form locks, instant locks, interlocked locks, and so on. Most of the braids and twist locks are traditional locks that are left to form on their own. Please make a proper research before making a choice, and that's why trial locks are important. They are locks you can take down when you don't like them, or styles you just want to keep for a long time because of your busy schedule. After repeating this process on my whole head, this is what we get. This honestly looks so similar to soft locks, and remember, this is just braided natural hair. What I love about this technique is there are no extensions added. It's lightweight, it takes much less time than full locks, and it is completely temporary. And if you ever want to switch styles, you can easily do it. And what if my hair is short? You are probably asking now, babe, mini braids works on 3+ inches. I have started locks on hair shorter than my patience for bad Wi-Fi. Just braid what you got. Your lock journey starts wherever your edges decide to show up. If you've been curious about trying locks but you are not ready for a full commitment like me, this is such a fun way to experiment with the look. If you are still bothered about the length of your hair and you still want them to be longer than what you have currently, then you can add extensions. Yes, you can add Afro kinky extensions if you can afford the QVR, whatever human hair they say they sell, then you should get that. But if you can't, you can also work with synthetic hair to just make it a bit longer, and yes, you can keep them for as long as you may want to keep them. Moisturizing is key, so I go in with some leave-in conditioner again because my hair is high porosity and gets dried quickly like something has been roasted on the grill. Also, I go in with my hair oil at this point in time and go through my scalp, the ends of my hair, which are very important because they are the oldest of my hair, so they tend to get prone to breakage. I also massage my scalp with some hair oil and then proceed to styling. Whoops. Then I go in with some hair oil or hair butter to seal the moisture. At this point, I was already more than 1 hour gone into the hairstyle, and for some reason I got really tired. Now I know why I got really tired. This was because I was trying to do a new kind of hairstyle that I wasn't used to, and if you know me very well, you know that I'm used to twists, and twists are really fast for me. so I was trying to beat the time. So I just want to say that please do not pressure yourself. Take it slow and steady, especially if you're a beginner. Take it slow and steady. Give yourself some break, give yourself some time to rest. If you are a beginner, and if you're not a beginner, just, you know what, save this video. Yeah, ladies, everybody save this video at this point, so that when you get to your hairdresser, you show them that this is exactly what I am aiming for, and then they can give you that. Trust me. Trust me, girls, it's going to look good. Ladies, that was a lot. Trust me, all of this thing took just 2 hours. I'm telling you the truth. If you try this style, let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoy natural hair tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel, because I'll be sharing more simple protective styles you can do yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to other earthly girls out there. Love you. Bye.